If you want to generate a quote, you would go into quotes here, you'd go add, and then you have a bunch of options to choose from. Now, before I actually choose any of those options, I want to note that you can have as many quotes against a job as you need. So if there is any sort of variations or any adjustments that need to be made, all of the quotes would be listed in this view here. I'm going to go add and then choose blank quote as my option for now. Now, blank quote is kind of a blank canvas. It's your working ground. If you need to do something quickly, of course, you'd click quick add, or if you have like a quantity takeoff or an Excel file you want to import, you can go using import file. So blank quote for me for now. This screen here already knows who our customer is. It takes that from the job card, and it uses the job number there as the reference for the quote, as you can see there as well. Now you've got some default dates for the date and expiry date of the quote, which can be adjusted in your admin settings, or you can adjust here if you need to, and also change the title. So just click save there, and this brings you to your quoting interface. Now the heading here can't really be adjusted. It uses factory default settings in Next Minute, and of course it would have your business logo there. Inside a quote, you've got an area to edit header notes, which is often used to as an introduction or a thank you for reviewing the quote. And then you've got what are known as sections in Next Minute, where it says details here, and you can add additional sections with this button over on the side here, as you can see. Now, sections are ideal if you want to create kind of containers for your different costs. A lot of businesses tend to use them for stages of their projects as well. So this one here could be, for example, foundations. This container could be framing, and this one could be roof. And within these containers, this is where you choose to add items. So you can choose labor, materials, disbursements, or other, and you can create items within these categories which live under sale items over on the left hand side, just like I created the labor rate earlier. If you are working with suppliers that provide price books, they can be imported into the materials list. So if I went to add an item as materials, then I would have items to select from here, and you can choose your relevant supplier you've imported that list for. Really handy to generate quotes quickly. So that's enough for now. Let's look at maybe scheduling next time. Catch you soon. Cheers.